The hierarchy of needs.
The hierarchy of needs.
What is, we are sexual beings. That is by the way God made us. There is nothing really per se wrong with sex. But the perversion to create sex niyo yarehire pornography. Indo iria ithatu cirehaga mbeca illegally in the world. Number one is arms. Arms ni mishika naki. Number two ni drugs. Number three ni pornography. To the pornography uge the other countries. Ugerie kuigira site ya pornography. You cannot access. I've been to US. Okay, these Western countries, they really protect their young ones. On a mainaga gadgets naki matihota ako access. They cannot. You pay a lot of money to access. Here in Kenya,
it's free. It's a free site.
Ona to WhatsApp group ona kodikirina no goikirio no gonera WhatsApp group. So there is a lot of availability to gutire na control ya nyamwiriko eno. As we are becoming westernized, Jiragado, as long as I can remember, my parents had parents, those parents had parents, those parents had parents. So sex has always been there. But in this generation, mara behave tario mara discover sex. It has always been there. So perversion yero kirari riria tura commercialize
sex.
Kana kuonia andu ati inyuĩ muti uria mwikaga.
Niguo kwagiriirwo.
No horo uyu ukoragwo wi fantasy. Fantasy ni kuga tima. Uguo urona tima.
Uguo urona bica-ini icio cia pornography.
Tiguo. But umenye men are visual beings by nature. Uria Ngai amombire. Mundurume onaga kindu gikamunyita. Akenda. Using that God gave them for free as visual beings. Pornography igioka. Initially are very controlled. No yokire igioka ekihypo Playboy house, Playboy magazine, people were making money. So the more they made money, the more they realized this is what we need to do. No kirora andu aria mahuthagiro, especially the females there. All of them 99% are always under the influence. Tohe maudu utagika we soba. Because your conscience is telling you this is wrong. And when you interacted now, women, even the young women who are doing pornography here in Kenya, tukirina ito pornography, they are always under the influence of something. Ona marathi koina goku maraina polls ine ici, makiinira andu, maki-entertain andu. Most of them are under the influence of a substance. Todo the natural you. Yeherie thoni. Na ni ndaririkana tuthiete Thailand. Ogwo tuthia guthomithania universal treatment curriculum. Twina andu a Kenya na India. Twariaga andu eri a Kenya na another guy from India. Being men, makirirwo ati mathi afate ni mukawa. Makijira Susan Twathire gutiga ni tuthi. Tukiingira ni nderirwo ndikuriha to ndi mutumia. Omarihirio $100. That's about 13,000.
Yeah.
Na ndirakuya uhoro wa 2018 2019. Makiriha ni ngirigwa atiriri mwariha ati $100 na ndaingira free. Kumbe kwari kundu kwadu mokaga atumia rumoke meonanie matari no ithui aya maratutwara ku Thailand ri tutikire trainers globally koguo marona ati ni kumuteithia maramuoni undu mutari muona Kenya ni reke gwire Monica ni ndamakira hau ni uri wingira uguo ukahinga maitho tondu uria wona ukoria Ngai andu aya no waku God at this your creations. Ni ndonire undu itari ndona real live people makaina na gukiririrwa thugu meku kuria different people who are there na mara exposure tira ruci cia bica moroiga the real thing. I remember ni twatwaritwo na ndio ni kwariko ndokirie tari kiro ndirathie ni ngiuma I found my way back to the hotel. Todo imire ndakora taxi ngimugwetera Dekaramu kaweta waga sukuso. A very nice hotel. They dropped me at the hotel. Ruwa masoga kujaria Susan, what happened?
Odhireku. And that for them now, that is,
you know, I think all the others were men, so I was the only female in the group of the trainers. Koguo nona riu nie ndeheririe. So later on gimera makajira it's your culture. Susan, is that your culture? You can't see that. Nona being African, they assume a lot of things. But agikweyo riu murathi ni kundu kurari ho, ni kundu kwina license that we mu Kenya ni wathire uguo muthiaga masafari na bontful. Mutwaro kundu ta kundu kuri andu mekwenda guthie ku. So ni uramenya no pornography. No
pornography.
No ino turaria riu ino ethimu-ini no enyitete ciana citu not only our children but enyitete even andu agima. Ninde na clients mundu mugima. Mugima at ena 50 plus.
Na watchaga pornography.
Koguo pornography ni ki? Pornography yumete ritwa ritagwo porngraphia. Iramini atiriri bisha cia urathoni na ritwa riu ni ya Kigiriki. Pornographia. Bisha cia urathoni. Koguo ni kuo ritwa riu riumite. Na ira ugicoka thutha ri ikoretwo kuo kwa kahinda karaihu muno. No within the African continent gutiari.
I was reading that in the Roman culture. Ona mari kiwanja-ini makirorera mubira kana icio swords maruaga nacio. If a certain team won, aria mago supportaga team iyo makwambia ku have sex there and then.
But you see, to them that was excitement. It was not really pornography. No, aria marerorera ri.
Aria marerorera. Of course,
it is now. I don't know what we should call it. All pornography ne bisha cia urathoni. So they are telling us is pictures depicting andu mara have sex. Purpose ne mwe. Sorry, na ndoje matiri mamenya. The purpose of that is sexual arousal. Dili biro girutaga pornography. Yeah, it is for sexual arousal. Nothing else. Na tari gukuga ciana cia thigicagire ngumune thimo nigetha nikwe nikikupigia thimo ni gwikira credit, thimo ni gwikira data. Nikwe nikikupigia unaniambia uko kwa shoshuku kwa haje unaendelea aje. Koguo mwana ucio na thimo 24 hours.
24 hours na mena kazi ni ciake ku.
Koguo ni aramonia indo.
That is it.
Even at your home, wamune athia komena thimu iyo na hiyo wifi. Mwana ucio ti guthoma thoma. Kids are curious.
Kuri kuria maraigira.
Very curious.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Ndigukuriria ciuria ingi mwirorerio nawe riu ri ni ngwenda take responsibility ya kwirerera ciana ciaku. Na riu ri ni undu wa take responsibility. We have a parent seminar coming up na Dr. Susan Gitau on 6th of December. To head details ici ya semineo.
Tuena seminar ya parents. Totoronira a very big gap when it comes to parenting. Especially preteens and teenagers. The parents are getting lost. Todo na omena issues ici yao. Kogo tura come up na a parents seminar where we are going to educate them more on their own parenting, positive parenting. Also the issues they should focus on. Matiga traumatize ciana ciao. Technology ni kireka na uhoro wa substance use. So we want to have a whole day as early as 8:30 to 4:30 in the evening. A full day seminar but focusing only on parents. They can come and ask all those many questions.
All those questions.
How can I what can I do? Where am I going wrong? So we will bring in parenting, positive parenting, na how powerful it is. Koguo ni undu turecirie me and other counselors we work with. It's to focus on parents because everybody now is doing seminars for youth, for teens, for preteens.
So no gutire mundu reka for parents.
Na niyo makuite burita.
Exactly.
So if this parent is functional, ciana ni gutwika functional. But if the parent is dysfunctional, however well they are providing, if the parent is dysfunctional,
they'll be lost.
She go kano hororia turathi kwaririria wa trauma. Now trauma is a lot of kids are having trauma from home. Before ya shukuru na meikarere, most trauma is coming from
home.
Yes.
Okay, so on 6th December,
All Saints Cathedral.
All Saints Cathedral.
Yes.
Kwina marihi.
Kwina marihi. Turarihia 3,000 for the seminar, inclusive of their tea and lunch and writing